Now, the table below indicate the vapor pressure of three organic compounds. So that's number compound out three, and we are given the pressure, compound M2O. Into ebalulekile la ukuthi si-understand ukuthi yini leya. Kwesinye isikhathi nginawunikeza into enje CH3, CH2, OH. Leya nto ihlukile kunaleya. Ngiyawuchecka kahle ukuthi la asinayo CH2OH lapha. Asinawo CH2 kodwa laphana sino H2 la H2 ake. So yini le alcohol, yini leya aldehyde. Lokho kukutshena ukuthi kunani lapha kulo carbon lo kune double bond. Balulekile-ke uku-understand i-condensed structural formula. So kusho ukuthi lawa ama-condensed structural formula wodwa wani we-aldehyde. So as we move down, fanele si-check ukuthi yini eshintshayo kulezi structure lezi. Mhlawumbe nje singayi-draw nje. So sino CH3, sino C, double bond, aldehyde phela le. Sinento nje. Kwesesibili sinento nje. Kwesesithathu 1, 2, 3. So yini eshintshayo kulama structure lawa uma uwabheka? Yini le eshintshayo? Ngoba ngasekuqaleni ayafana. Kusho ukuthi yini? I-chain length. So as we go down, the chain length increases. So kusho ukuthi O une-length enkulu, une-larger, une-length enkulu kuno-M. Lokho kusitshena ukuthini? Kusitshena ukuthi O unani? Ne-surface area enkulu kunobani? Kuno-M. But what is the vapor pressure? The pressure exerted by a vapor at equilibrium with its liquid in a closed system. Ngichaza kanjalo. So lento eshintshayo-ke la iyona independent variable. Makuthiwa nje yini independent variable la? Yilento eshintshayo uma ubuka lama structure, yini eshintshayo? I-chain length. Khona i-structure esine-length emfishane, i-length iyaqhubeka iyanda, yabona? So i-chain length or i-surface area iyona independent variable. Iyiphi i-dependent variable la? I-vapor pressure. I-dependent variable yini? I-vapor pressure. I-vapor pressure idepende ekutheni lama structures angapha siwashintsha kanjani. Uma siwashintsha bese i-vapor pressure yenze njani? Nayo iyashintsha. Ngiyabona nje structure sokuqala sine-vapor pressure 98, structure sesibili sisishintshile, vapor pressure nakhona yashintsha ya-decrease. As i-chain length i-increase, kwenzakalani nge-vapor pressure? Iya-decrease. Okay. Now, iyiphi i-constant variable? Bangasibuza zonke lezo zinto lezo ukuthi abasibuzanga kule test akusho ukuthi ngeke basasibuza. Nansi i-temperature. I-temperature ayishintshanga u-20 degrees Celsius. That is the constant variable. Now, write down the name of the functional group of these compounds. Bafuna igama le-functional, excuse, igama le-functional group, that is formyl. Compound with the highest boiling point. Give a reason for the answer. Okay. Sinento nje BMV. So the higher the boiling point, okay, the lower the boiling point, the lower the vapor pressure. Askis the melting point, the higher the vapor pressure. Labo babili bahambisana. Mangabe i-boiling point inkulu, ne-melting point izoba nkulu. Mangabe i-boiling point incane, ne-melting point izoba ncane. But i-vapor pressure iphikisana nabo izoba nkulu. Once i-boiling point yabankulu, i-vapor pressure izoba ncane. So bayabuza lapha, compound with the highest boiling point. Give the reason for your answer. Compound the highest boiling point. O. Why? O. O has the lowest vapor pressure. Vapor pressure. So compound with the weakest intermolecular forces. Okay. Nakho-ke indaba. Laba uma i-boiling point yabo, uma nje i-structure sine-boiling point enkulu, sinama intermolecular forces are strong. Uma ngabe i-structure sine-vapor pressure enkulu, uma ngabe nje inkulu kakhulu i-vapor pressure yaleso structure leso, sinama-weakest intermolecular forces. So ubani la une-vapor pressure enkulu? U-M. Meaning la u-M nguye lo nama-weakest intermolecular forces because une-highest vapor pressure. Na umbuzo usuthini-ke manje? Ngokusula la mashinyane. Umbuzo usuthi explain the difference between compound M and M, N and M. Chaza umehluko between compound M nobani no-N. Iyahlupha lento. Compound N and M. For 3 marks. Mabethi chaza umehluko. Ngicela ungakhulumi nge-vapor pressure. Angithi bathi chaza khona ukuthi why i-vapor pressure yakhona ingafani. Ngusaka kusitshena ukuthi ingoba lo ne-vapor pressure enkulu lo ne-vapor for 3 marks. Nazi into ozochaza ngazo. Sochaza nge-structure kuqala. So masichaza nge-structure compare i-structure sa-M no-N. Usuyasho ukuthi N has a larger surface area than ubani? Than u-M. Angithi siyitholile ukuthi yini eshintshayo la yini independent variable. Kulo S wokuqala uzokhuluma ngalento eshintshayo. Or uyasho ukuthi uma uthanda ubuzwa ukuthi N has a longer chain length than ubani? U-M. Ngothola 1 mark. Uyibhale in point form. U-S wesibili usukhuluma ngani lapho? Usukhuluma nge-strength. Ubani o-strong kunomunye? Nawucheck-ke la lo surface area yakhe inkulu, lo surface area yakhe incane, loya i-surface area yakhe incane kakhulu. So nangu ne-surface area enjani? Enkulu kunabo bonke ngoba i-chain yakhe yinde. So once wane-surface area enkulu, unama-stronger strength of intermolecular forces. So usho ukuthi u-N ilenti yakhe yinde shouthi strong, so uyasho ukuthi N has stronger strength of intermolecular forces than ubani than M. So ekugcineni bese ukhuluma nge-energy. Ubani o-strong ngu-N. Kusho ukuthi u-N nguye ozodinga ini? Energy eningi. So siyasho ukuthi since u-N has a stronger strength of intermolecular forces, N needs more energy to overcome intermolecular forces. Lo o-strong nguye odinga i-energy eningi. Lo one-surface area enkulu nguye o-strong. Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi ikanjalo le nto le. So ithathele 3 marks wakho. Lana bathini-ke? Bathi the boiling point of compound O is now compared with that of compound P. So bethatha u-N ngaphezulu. Xa sikithi u-O ngaphezulu, le thebula elingaphezulu, basedela u-P omusha. So baya-compare ama-boiling point walama structures omabili. Shishini-ke. So uma u-check-a lana i-boiling point, kufanele uqale u-check-e futhi ukuthi yini eshintshayo. Yini eshintshayo? Ngiyibhale nje lapha ekuqaleni u-O siyamazi ukuthi ubeme kanje ngapha ngasekuqaleni. Shuthi aldehyde. U-P ngapha ngasekuqaleni ume kanjani? Seno-C. Yambona sene-CH2. Bese kuba no-OH. So u-P seyini le? Sekuyi-alcohol. So kusho ukuthi lana we have an alcohol. Alcohol. Lana we have aldehyde. Umbuzo uthi yini eshintshayo kulama structures? Yini eshintshayo? I-functional group. Kushintsha ini? I-functional group. So functional group is the independent variable. So sifanele sazi ukuthi siphendula kanjani uma ngabe kushintsha ini? I-functional group. Sebeshilo bathi write the IUPAC name. IUPAC name of compound P. 1, 2, 3, 4. IUPAC name izothini? Kuzothi butane, butane 1 all. Awukwazi phela ungasho ukuthi OH u-carbon number bani o-carbon sebeba u-4. Bekufanele usho ukuthi carbon number 4 uzothi butane 1 all. So wathi butanol, uzoba wrong, uzothola u-0. Now explain the difference in boiling point. Again, siyayibona i-boiling point ka-O to 75, siyayibona ka-P117. Musa ukukhuluma nge-boiling point. Chaza umehluko ukuthi why lo munye abe ne-boiling point enkulu, why lo munye abe ne-boiling point encane. Nakhona esokuqala sokhuluma nge-structure. Yini eshintsha kulama compound omabili? Uyasho. Structure sokuqala nesesibili. So uyasho ukuthi since lo aldehyde, what type of intermolecular forces anawo? Namalandana. Asike sinama-dipole forces. Dipole, dipole. Since lo alcohol nani unama-hydrogen bond. So uyasho-ke laphayana ukuthi compound O has dipole forces. while P has hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds or hydrogen bonding. Now, bese uzokhuluma ngo-S wesibili. S wesibili ukhuluma nge-strand, uyaqhathanisa uthi ubani o-strong kunomunye. Siyazi ukuthi ama-hydrogen bonds are stronger than any ama-dipole forces. Usuyasho ukuthi noma ungasho ukuthi i-compound P has stronger intermolecular forces than compound O. Noma singasho ukuthi P has stronger strand of intermolecular forces than bani than O. Since phela u-P nama-hydrogen bond, shuthi i-strength sakhe sama-intermolecular forces strong. Then mese sikhuluma ngo-E. Lo o-strong nguye odinga more energy. So kusho ukuthi u-P, since unama-stronger strand of intermolecular forces, needs more energy to overcome intermolecular forces. Molecular forces. La uzothola imali lokuthi ushilo ukuthi ku-O sinama-dipole, washo ukuthi ku-P sinama-hydrogen bond, washo ukuthi ubani o-strong, washo ukuthi-ke ubani ozodinga i-energy eningi, sothola u-4 marks wakho. Eh, Ngisule la. Lena bekufanele siyilandele enakuzaneni kwi-formula sheet answer la. But the graph below represent the relationship between the vapor pressure and temperature of compound O. Mawuya le kwi-formula sheet ngemumva uzoyithola i-vapor pressure at STP laphayana. Write down the value of X 101,3 kilopascals or 1,013 times 10 to the power of 5 pascals. Leyitholakala le ngemuva. Sebethi-ke, redraw the graph above in the answer book on the same set of axes. Sketch the curve that will be obtained for compound P. Clearly label the curve O and P. Indicates the relevant boiling points for compound P. Now, le graph le eye vapor versus temperature. So ngaphezulu sino O, ngaphansi sinobani sino P. Khumbuleke sengithi sino O kuphela, sino O. So asazi ukuthi u-P ngabe i-curve ezoba ngapha ngaphezulu noma i-curve ezoba ngaphansi, asazi. Kodwa bathi faneke iqondane ngaloya. So izoba ngaphansi. Why ibe ngaphansi? I-curve ka-P. Ngoba ngaphezulu sine-boiling point, sine-pressure enjani enkulu. Since loyana ene-boiling point encane kusho ukuthi i-pressure yakhe, i-vapor pressure yakhe injani enkulu. Since lo ene-boiling point enkulu kusho ukuthi i-pressure yakhe injani incane. So i-pressure as uya le phezulu iyakhuphuka. So u-P fanele abe ne-vapor pressure encane since unani ne-boiling point enjani enkulu. Igrafu yakhe kufanele ihambe below igrafu ka-O. So bathe qondanise exactly no-X. So ziyofika lapha phansi bese sibhalela 117. yini le i-temperature or yini boiling point. So bekufanele siphendule kanje le question le physical properties.